10 to 12 million pesos, about 169,000 US to 200,000 US. Is it actually worth it? I'm Michael, this is Charmaine, my wife, and we're doing our first pass through subdivisions in 3 separate areas in Cebu. Talamban, that's where we're starting now, then to Banilad, and then ending at Lahog. We went to Privia Hills and only lots were for sale. The guards wouldn't let us in to see or video, so we were not able to get in.
So far, David? So far?
We just got done with Sola Dos subdivision. They were all sold. It's kind of an average looking place, nothing really special. And right across the street, it was kind of not very pleasant. So I'm not sure about that one. This is the other side of the subdivision.
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto NS Road.
The houses are nice.
I think the houses look pretty.
These are bigger. Two-car garage. This is a big house and it's modern.
It's really nice. This neighborhood is actually pretty nice. I'm really impressed so far.
This subdivision is kind of like the older version and this out on the list.
Yeah, it's not very nice. Let's just put it that way. So we got a limited exposure to the Maryville homes, and a few that we saw, they actually look pretty nice, but we were unable to really drive in the area much. Sunny Hills is, the homes are, a few of them are pretty nice. It looks like it's completely gated off, and the security is pretty strict there, so possibility.
So far, a few possibilities.
But the next one looks promising. I was unable to get in. The guard wouldn't let me in. He says it's all occupied, and to be honest, it's not very nice for the price. Hi, sir.
Pwede hinay-hinay lang,
Oh,
sir.
okay, okay.
Salamat, sir. Negra siya.
Okay.
Okay na daw.
Kana may padung sa Taoist Temple.
Taoist Temple, going to Taoist Temple. Oh yeah, we were here.
This took about 3 hours at a really fast pace. Access is strict in many of the subdivisions, which is actually a good thing for homeowners.
We did the best we could for the footage. Few areas we couldn't fully show.
But we still got a first solid look. This was run one, a starting point,
We saw a lot.
but most didn't make the cut.
About 4 are walls closer.
We focused on 10 to 12 million pesos for this first round look. That's about 169,000 US to 200,000 US.
One is even for sale.
We might be able to meet with the owner. Now we go back and focus on those.
That's one too.